for G-Swag Dance Crew!
Say the name.
We are G-Swag!
So, what do we have today?
We have new members! Everyone, my name is Lydia. I'm almost 15 years old. Woo!
Wow! One time.
Almost.
Hi everyone, I'm Christopher. I'm 16 years old. Hi guys, I know you know me. Guys, my name is Lance Yuan. I'm a new member of G-Swag.
Yeah. What are we practicing for?
Commercial shoot. Abangan nyo yan guys. Sila pa.
Let's begin!
Cut! Joke lang.
The first one will be just, to let you dance all the way through para iba-ibang, try natin iba-ibang ang.
Boys at the back.
Guys, ready na yung class, oh. 5 minutes more to go.